Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the US dollar Japanese yen for Thursday, July the 23rd. Well, quite a trading day today. And just looking at this chart, the thing that hits us is the size of the body on this candle. A really very, very large size body that we haven't seen for quite a while in this market, and comparing back to a period a few weeks ago, there was only a few other periods where this market was very very volatile as it was today. Now, just interestingly, looking at when we do get these very large bodied candles, that was here, here, and here, the market usually terminates in a major way. So at this point previously, where we had a very, very large green body, we had a new downtrend begin. Here, where we had this very, very large red body, we had an end of the second time frame downtrend. Now, that doesn't mean that we will have an end of the trend here at the moment, because importantly, if we're looking at this market, we actually had the establishment of a new trend in the second time frame, and that's very, very important. The market had been trending down in the second time frame from this period here, where we had a series of lower peaks and lower troughs. The peaks and troughs are defined by the first time frame trend, which is defined by the bars, the individual bars. The second time frame trend is defined by the peaks and troughs that make up the first time frame trend. So here we have a series of lower peaks and lower troughs, and here now we have a second time frame uptrend where we had a trough, a peak, a higher trough, and a higher peak once we took out that previous peak. So we have a new first time frame uptrend. The only thing that may limit this uptrend is the fact that we couldn't close up above this zone of resistance that we identified. We highlighted that area to be a very strong and significant area for this market. It was a previous support area, and we know that previous areas of support can turn into resistance. So we need to have a solid close up above this area for the market to really establish this second time frame uptrend. If the market does continue to trade up, then we should see the market trade up to the top of the Kumo, the top of the cloud. So there could be quite a decent appreciation in this market if the second and first time frame uptrend that we're now in, if they do continue. So the market could potentially trade up to 96, roughly about 96.70. So just back to the candle itself, a very, very large green body. The bulls are in control of this market, and they're showing some very, very strong commitment. Looking at the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, we still haven't had a change in the configuration of those two indicators yet. That's likely to happen fairly soon if the uptrend does continue. So we still, in Ichimoku terms, can't say that we are terribly bullish at the moment. The market is still trading down below the cloud, so overall we have a bearish bias to the market. And we are trading up above the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, so that's bullish in itself. But we haven't had the twist of the Tenkan-sen trading up above the Kijun-sen. There can be some delay to that happening, though. It's a little bit like the moving averages, where there can be a delay and some lag. So that's why we haven't had that twist at the moment, because we now have a very, very strong move that we had today, and the market needs to take some time to catch up to that. So a new first time frame uptrend. We have a higher high and a higher low. A new second time frame uptrend. And as technical analysts, we believe that the trend will continue until we have proof otherwise. So we have to go with that, and we should believe that we'll take out this area of resistance and trade up to the top of the Kumo.